Welcome back to Pop Info News. Here we bring you ogbonge news how it dey happen. My people, make una come here. They say one of the US member, what they call Okechukwu, don't come outside. Come talk say Simon Ekpa and the other people where they work for inside Biafra government are not working to achieve Biafra. Do you believe this thing? I will leave this video for you to watch and also share your own opinion in a comment section and share the video so that other people will hear this thing when they talk.
All right, wonderful people, great people of Biafra, freedom fighters, lovers of freedom and well wishes. Another day, another day. Like I promise you people, I will never stop. I will never ever stop on these infiltrators. I will never stop on these recruited agents in our land. I am Mazo Kenno Okechukwu the General, a media personnel. I am a member of IPOB under one big family, under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Okuchukwu Kanu, DOS Mazi Shike Doziem Umu Chineke. We move. Pay attention and listen very attentively. Like I said, this is not a threat, but it's a promise that I will never ever stop on these people. You are going to listen to the latest one. Or this one will shock every one of you. That is when you will understand that everything that I'm saying is a gospel. Of course, some of you will not believe me because you lack ability. Inability to reason is far away from you people. That is why you don't know what is obtainable. That is why some idiot will just come and brainwash you people and told you people that Biafra is coming on 2nd of December. Now, where is that December? Where is that Biafra? Where is December? I'm asking you people, where is Biafra? Next year now they will still promise you people another one. But the end have come. Their end have come. You will never hear about these people again. Now pay attention because some of you will be keep on questioning the source of my intel. Mazo Kenno Okechukwu, like I said, I am a media personnel. And I will always clear your doubt. I will always put you in a path that you will follow. Like I said, we can never ever force our people to believe in a theology of Biafran restoration project. No. We are going to get them convinced the reason why they should join the struggle and the reason why they should embrace Biafra as a new nation. This is how we are going to restore Biafra. There is no how we are going to restore your nation based on lies, deceit, propaganda, on social media. That is what I'm trying to tell you people. You will hear it direct from one of their cabinet. They have spoken. They have spoken. I told you intel comes to me every single day. But you people will keep on my comment section writing, with your idiocy in you because you can't reason. You people are waiting for somebody to reason for you. That is why you can't even think and understand what is obtainable. And I'm here to tell you what is obtainable. Because your senseless is smelling. The sense of you people are smelling. This you autopilot. Some of you that cannot reason. I tell you it will take you years to know what I just understand in a second. Years it will take you. Very nonsensical and idiotic morons. Those don't even know their left from their right. You are going to hear it. I have told you people the reason why I will keep on fighting these people. The reason why I have put myself in a lane that I'm going to destroy them in total. I will destroy them. I tell you this. Some of you may come on my comment section like I said. It ends there. One day, your own will be gone. I tell you. I am Mazo Kenno Okechukwu the General. I will never, ever stop on these people. Simon Ekpa have told them that he don't want Biafra. He's not fighting for Biafra. And Simon Ekpa, the Minister of Information, so-called Minister of Information of Government in Exile, also said he don't want Biafra. Now you are going to understand the game that these people are playing on all of you, the gullible. Those people that have what they call tiny sense, 15 minutes thinking. That is what I call you people. Because you can't reason. That is why you keep on believing in primitive life, dark ages, that somebody That is why one pastor will come and begin to tell you people he's going to heal you. He's going to make death to come back to life. All of you will believe it because you are still living in what they call primitive life, dark ages. You are living in 001. You can't even just think and understand what you can do. Now, the breaking news is this. You are going to hear it because my information is not just to tell you, but you are going to listen to it. That Simon Ekpa can never escape this rot of hell that have fallen upon him. And you see all of them on social media, all of them that are ranting, they will keep on complicating themselves. And very, very soon, when we're done with them, then we'll be picking them one after the other. Some of them will be run back, then we'll take them back to that zoo called Nigeria. And that is where they are going to answer their question. You know, some of them are coming on social media, ranting and talking all sorts of rubbish. You want to get our people Biafra, but you are there, unaliving of our people every single day. 3, 4 people will be unalived. We never saw them confront, even though our enemies, they are saying that they are fighting. No, you can never see them. What you are going to be hearing every single day, Mama Nkeshi, Man Kiruka, Papa Ifani, our people, if you are do police, who are those people that you are maiming? Who are those people that you are sending to other world? Agachogu, our own people. But you are telling me that you want to get Biafra for me. I told you people, ode mmadụ ụnụ ka ekwesị iji wee chụọ aja ka amara na Biafra ọ ga-abịa ọsịsọ. Ụmụ ozu ndị nwụrụ anwụ na-aga ije. That is why some of you will come and tell me, allow Simon Ekpa to breathe. Oga, I will never, ever. You see the position where this guy is today. I will keep on fueling. I will keep on putting gasoline inside the fire. So the fire will keep on burning. There's no end. I told you people that are making this guy to be relevant now, that his time will come. Any day that I stop talking about this guy, that is the end. And I have told you people that I'm fighting my life fight on these people. Because I have made myself clear. I have made myself clear that I am standing as a destruction. Because these people they are not passionate. Simon Ekpa and his group, Government in Exile, is not passionate about the freedom of our people. These people are distraction in the name of destruction. It will take you people time to understand what I'm saying. But I know some of our people are beginning to get the point. Because most important is for you to get the point. Forget about the messenger. I am the messenger. But don't even take my attitude or my behavior. Listen to the message. That is when you are going to get the point. Are you not getting the point now? Simon Ekpa said that he don't want Biafra. Simon Ekpa said that he just deceiving you people. And his so-called information minister of the government in desert, they told you people, they don't want Biafra. Now pay attention and listen.
Now today I saw some tweets. I did sorry say Sonia Barawa of all people is involved in this show. But it's good that he's involved because Sonny is learned enough to know what he wants, and he have made it clear that he is not looking for Biafra. Prime Minister Simon Ekpa have made it clear that he is not looking for Biafra. Prime Minister Simon Ekpa has been like tricking us, while he has also stylishly made it clear that Biafra is not coming.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Please share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as you don't read for this last one.